Managing music on iPhone is easy with the right tools. In this video, you'll learn 3 simple ways to add, delete, and organize songs using MobiKin Assistant for iOS, iTunes, or the Music app. Part 1. Manage iPhone music with Assistant for iOS. Managing music on iPhone becomes much easier with MobiKin Assistant for iOS, Windows, and Mac. It is a powerful iOS data management tool that helps you transfer, back up, and organize music and other files on your iPhone with ease. Let's see how it works. Step 1. Download and install MobiKin Assistant for iOS on your computer. Connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. Unlock your iPhone and tap "Trust this computer" when prompted. Step 2. Launch the program and wait for it to detect your device. After the detection, you can click Music in the left panel to view all songs on your iPhone. Step 3. Now you can start to manage your iPhone music on the computer. For instance, select songs and click Export to transfer them to your computer. Click Refresh to sync updated music data. Part 2. Manage music on iPhone using iTunes. Open iTunes and connect your iPhone via USB. Then click the device icon. In summary, enable manually manage music and videos and click Apply if needed. Go to Music, select Sync Music, choose Content, then click Apply or Sync to transfer. Part 3. Manage songs on iPhone directly with the Music app. Launch the Music app on your iPhone. Tap Library at the bottom to view all your saved songs. In the Library section, you can view your songs by playlists, artists, albums, and songs. Tap any category to enter the detailed list. Find the song you want to manage, then press and hold it. You will see several options such as Remove Download Delete from Device Storage, Delete from Library, Remove from Apple Music Library, Add to Playlist, and Favorite like Song.